them out. Mine.
Go sit down and eat them at the table.
Lola.
Hey guys, where's your food? Where's your seed? Where is your seed? What did Mommy do with the seed? Jack, did somebody steal your seed? Where did it go? Somebody stole it. Where could it be? Where is our food? We're going to starve. Are you going to starve, little Jack man? Sure are looking a little thin there. Gee, you all look so thin. Where's the seed? Where did it go? How dare Mommy put this in our cage?
Mama, I got me cake.
Okay. Where's the seed, guys? Where could it be? Jack, where did it go? Are you guys mad at Mommy? Walker, are you mad at Mommy? You mad at Mommy? Mommy took your seed out. Did Mommy take out your seed? I'm so sorry. Jack, are you mad at Mommy? Walker, are you trying to escape and find the seed? Eat your veggies. And Mommy put the seed back in. You giving up, Jack? You gonna go pout now? You gonna pout? I'm getting pelted with millet. Jasper!
I gave his cake on accident. He didn't eat all his fries.
Jasper, that's just wrong. Eat your millet in front of poor little Jack. What? You dropped it, Jazz. Oh, poor Budgies. Save us, please. We're starving. Save us, save us. You guys are the silliest little babies ever.